Award-winning traffic lawyers, Sydney. Hi, Michael Kuzilny, barrister and solicitor. I've been around the courts for over 35 years, and a lot of law students and clients usually ring and so they say, Michael, what are the qualities of the award-winning traffic lawyers in Sydney or around the world? And I heard this saying one time. They're saying that somebody told me there's more lawyers on the planet than there are soldiers. And in Sydney, there's thousands of lawyers, thousands of traffic lawyers you can choose from. There's the good ones, there's the really bad ones, and there's the award-winning ones. And what are the qualities of an award-winning traffic lawyer? Let me tell you this. They know their case better than anyone in that courtroom. So they're prepared, they're prepared. They don't just organise their court case at the traffic lights before the court. They're prepared. They really care for the client, and they know the case better than the judge, than the prosecutor and the jury if you go to a higher court. They believe in themselves, They say the law is an imperfect science, and award-winning traffic lawyers aren't perfect. They're perfectly perfect, but they believe in themselves. They're not swayed by the opinions of other people. They speak from the heart and they're authentic. They keep it simple. They're a good finder. They find out the life journey about their client. They don't constantly talk about themselves. I'm this, I'm that, I've got these awards. They say, what about you? They really turn their spotlight on their clients to make sure that they get an award-winning outcome, a winning outcome, and keep their license, keep them out of jail. So they're a good finder. Award-winning traffic lawyers are immune to criticism. As we all know, there's always opposition from the prosecutions, from the judge or the magistrates or other witnesses. So they're like a rock amongst a storm, They're immune to criticism. They don't talk over the judge. Yes, award-winning traffic lawyers, they don't talk over the judge. So many crappy lawyers, they, oh no, I haven't finished yet, la 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 la, shush, just shush. It's a communication from the heart. So they don't talk over the judge. Award-winning traffic lawyers, Sydney, they avoid notes as much as possible. Yeah, they avoid the notes as much as possible. They're authentic. They speak from the heart. They're not scared of criticism. They really care for their client, and as a result, they get award-winning outcomes. And that's what makes these people award-winning traffic and criminal lawyers. All the very best, and I'll talk to you soon.